Here is our simulation circuit for the line following robot. It has two motors. One is for steering the robot. When the steer motor is rotating clockwise, it means the robot is moving to the right, and when it is rotating anti-clockwise, it means the robot is moving to the left. And it also has a drive motor which when rotates anti-clockwise means that the robot is moving forward. Now, as we cannot have white lines and black lines in the simulation software, we are going to supply a logic high and a logic low using this toggle here in order to send out a signal to the microcontroller which depicts the sensor detecting a black line or a white line. So we are going to use a logic high for white and a logic low for black for when the sensor detects a black line or a white line. So if we simulate this circuit, so right now both of the sensors are detecting black. The drive motor is stationary. Now if I make both of them high, you can see that the drive motor is rotating anti-clockwise, which means the robot is moving forward. Now suppose the left sensor detects black. That means the robot has veered off towards the right and it needs to come back left in order to stabilize itself. So we need the robot to move to the left, and see the steer motor is rotating anti-clockwise, which means the robot is moving left. Now similarly, if the right sensor detects a black line, we need the robot to move right in order to stabilize itself. So now you can see here I've passed a blue bit here, but the output is still it's red. This is because the simulation is not running in real time. This is one of the drawbacks of Proteus. So now as soon as this blue bit is passed down to the output, you can see that the steer motor now rotates clockwise and the robot is moving to the right. And if both sensors detect black, see the blue bit is still not passed. Okay, it has been passed and they both are now stationary. Okay guys, so I have stripped the RC car down to its bare guts and I had a closer look at the gear mechanisms, and it turns out that we can formulate our line following robot around this. I've had a closer look and it's pretty simple. This RC car uses two motors. One is for steering the robot and the other just provides acceleration in the forward and backward direction. So I will now demonstrate how we can use this. Okay. So this is the motor which steers the robot. So if we supply positive to positive and negative to negative, you can see that the car is trying to turn to the left. And if we switch the polarity, the robot will turn in the opposite direction. Right? And the back wheels of the car are just for acceleration.